The police files are missing, witnesses are not being bonded.
Katika masuala ya afya ni kwamba Kenya imejiunga rasmi na taasisi ya kimataifa ya chanjo kama mwanachama. Jukumu kuu la taasisi hiyo ni kuhakikisha upatikanaji wa chanjo kwa bei nafuu kwa wote. Rais William Ruto amesema hatua ya Kenya kuwa mwanachama itaongeza juhudi za serikali kuanza kutengeneza chanjo mbalimbali. Kwa mjibu wa Rais Ruto, Kenya imejifunza mengi kutokana na janga la COVID-19 hasa katika kupata chanjo. Ametoa hakikisho la Kenya kuchangia katika utengenezaji wa chanjo na usambazaji wa dawa kote duniani.
Kenya, led by the President, we have Cabinet Secretary of the accession ceremony. So probably as time goes by, was keen to come to IVI immediately she presented.
Our accession to IVI is coming at a critical time when the global discourse is on how we manage outbreaks, emergencies, and how we prepare ourselves to ensure that we are able to respond as and when they happen, and equally, that we build resilient systems.
With the exceptional support of the Kenyan government and our research and development collaborators, we're now preparing to establish IVI's country office in Nairobi, which will host an initiative called Advancing Vaccine End-to-End Capabilities in Africa, or AVEC Africa, together with other local, regional, and international organizations, and with proud collaboration with Africa CDC.
The challenges we face in accessing medical countermeasures during the COVID-19 pandemic, especially the availability of vaccines, only make today's event much more remarkable. The vulnerabilities of global health systems exposed stark inequalities and inequities in access to essential medical resources for significant populations at a time of great existential peril. In Africa, we did not just witness, but also bore the brunt of arbitrary distribution and denial of access, as well as vaccine nationalism, which, coupled with Africa's over-reliance on external manufacturers, magnified our already very serious situation.
Wakati ulimwengu ukiadhimisha siku ya mazingira duniani,